Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's class is going to be very interesting because today I am going to solve reasoning puzzles. This type of questions is very common and frequently they are asking in different competitive exams. So those who are preparing for the competitive exam, for them this video is going to be very useful. So let's have a look. Let's see the questions. The pattern is given is like that. It is a multiple choice questions. These are the options is given to you. So see the questions. These are the numbers are given. Here one number is missing. You have to find out the numbers. Now I'm going to apply a trick or logic here. So let's have a look. What will be the logic? So the thing is that from this number, these are the numbers. First you have to think. You have to find out a trick or logic that from these three numbers, how will get 27? So how will get 270? Sorry, 270. So from these three numbers, how you will get 270? That is your target, right? Same logic I'm going to apply it here if it is applicable in the second case also. So let's have a look. So if I multiply these two numbers, since it is quite bigger number, so I think multiplications will do. So 6 9 ja 54. Again, if we multiply this with 5, what you will get? 20 270. Yes. If I multiply, then we got 270, and this is this number. So now let's have a check this rule or logic or trick, whatever you can say, whether it is applicable in that case or not. So here, if we multiply these two, what you will get? 56, right? Now again, this 56, if we multiply by 4, then $224. Yes, 224. This is the one. So we got 24. Same logic or trick I am going to apply it here. So if we multiply these two numbers, you will get 56, right? Yes, you will get 56. Now same thing. Now here you have to multiply the numbers so that you will get 336. Now see the options. These are the options is given. If I multiply it by 5, no, you won't get. So this is if I multiply by 7, 6 7 there, 42. So we won't get 6. So this is also not possible. If I multiply by 9, 54. 54 is this is not the answer. If I multiply by 6, if I multiply by 6, 6 is a 36. 33. Yes, we got 336. So this number, this should be 6. This number, it should be 6. So option B is the correct answer. I hope it is clear with the concept. And if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. I'll be there to help you. Thank you for watching.